Okay, so wheel reveal day. Obviously, after my last video where I got the set of Donington Scirocco wheels with the big scratch in them, I have been this morning and picked up the wheel after it's been repaired. We'll unveil it in a moment, but let's just give you a reminder of what it looked like. So just flick. So this is what it looked like. So we've got a scratch from here, from the valve, all the way around. See this little scratch, if you want to call it that, here, coming all the way around. And what I asked him to do, if he could, was to repair this section and then just spray over this bit. He hasn't redone the whole wheel. It would have cost me a bit more. He has only charged me £80 for this job, so my weekend will be cleaning it up and polishing it all. So yeah, so a lot of people said that there was no way that could be repaired, too much missing. So I was talking about him, how we did it and the process, and what he was hoping to do was get another wheel that's scrap, cut a section out, put it in, weld it in. But because of the concaves on this, he couldn't do that. So what he's done is he's built it up, sanded it down, built it up, sanded it down. So I'm well chuffed with what he has done. It's a brilliant job for 80 quid. So here's the wheel. Let's just unveil it. So obviously we've still got we've got these scratches and stuff, but I know that they're going to polish out from the other wheels that I've got. So there. So the scratch started about here, and it came around here, and then this section. No, where are we? Let me get that out of the way. This section here is the section that was missing. All of that round there. So, like I say, he's cleaned all this up here, added a bit extra in, all the way around, and then around to this section. You see it needs a bit of a polish, but that is repaired all the way down. So, like I say, I just get a cloth. I think he has done a brilliant job of that wheel. So the little, it's just where the weld is there, it's just the shape and the light shining. But I think he has done a fantastic job of that wheel. Obviously I'll leave the opinions up to you guys, but probably could have done with just a little bit more on that edge where the bead of the tyres sit in. But so yeah, so those wheels, full set, cost me £50, £80 for that repair. So what's that? 50, £130 for a full set of wheels, decent tyres. Now, when I was talking to him, he said that scrap alone, these wheels would be worth £80. The price of aluminium wheels for scrap at the minute is just, it's crazy. So £2.50 a kilo or something they're getting for alloy wheels at the minute, which madness, the price they're going for. So yeah, he's said, yeah, you've definitely got a bargain there for those wheels, even the condition they were in. So so yeah, my job for the weekend, well, it won't even take me all weekend, will it, just to polish those up and touch them up like I did with the other ones, and then we'll get them on the car. So these wheels are going onto this car. The wheels that are on this car are going onto my Mark V, and my Mark V wheels, they're in reasonable condition. Bit of lack appeal considering that they're 17-year-old wheels, but they're not in too bad a condition at all. But so what options have I got? I can scrap them for 80 quid, or I can sell them on or I could keep them as spares. Not sure what I'll do yet, but yeah, for those of you who said it couldn't be done or interested in the job itself and how it was going to be done, there you go. That big scratch chunk missing has been repaired at a reasonable, well, very reasonable, of £80. So yeah, Wheelcraft in Maghera, Northern Ireland, County Down, Northern Ireland. Fantastic job. We'll see you in the next video when these are on the car, and we'll see how they look. See you in the next one.